So we are on the way to Apple BKC to pick up the new iPad, and also this video is shot on the S25 Ultra. How ironical is that?
Here you go. Congratulations on getting the new iPad.
New iPad.
Yep.
So what do you think the update is over the 10th gen? Do you think it's like crucial for students like me or someone else?
It is actually a great update when it actually comes to the A16 processor. It is actually way powerful than the previous version.
One.
Yeah.
And especially, I remember one issue there was in the iPad 10 gen that there was no like 128 gigs variant.
Yeah. This is an increased space, of course. Yeah.
Where do you think that was? Like, where they did that?
I mean, it was actually aimed at the people who are actually looking for affordability before anything else. It is not sheer potential power. So, yeah.
And which Apple Pencil does this one support?
Apple Pencil USB-C.
USB-C, and does it
first
support
generation,
first
yeah.
gen? Doesn't support second gen or Pencil Pro?
Second generation Pencil is no longer available with Apple. So it
And
is
the Pro version?
No. It
doesn't
has
support
to be
Pro.
with
Only the first gen or the Type-C Apple
Type-C,
Pencil?
Type-C.
All right, thank you.
Most welcome.
So I'm sitting outside the Apple store here in Mumbai, Apple BKC, and we'll be doing a live unboxing of the new iPad 11 right over here. So it is the A16 one, and I've got the 128 gigs variant. So if you remember, the iPad 10 gen didn't really have that thing, 128 gigs variant. It only was 64 gigs and 256. So this is a good thing for students like us. I'm not really a student anymore, but you get the point. So let's do the unboxing itself. So there goes the first strap, and here comes the second one. There are so many cameras on the S25 Ultra that I'm not getting which one to focus on actually. So please don't mind if I don't make eye contact over here. So the moment of truth, let's open it together and let's see how it is. So this is what we have. So the usual paperwork and also the chargers. At least they're giving us a charger because Samsung tabs and others don't really provide it anymore. So yeah, props to Apple for still providing it here. Although technically they were the one who got it removed, but yeah. So now the most satisfying part of any unboxing. Can I record the sound actually? It's quite windy over here as well on top of that. So I also got the silver variant because it's the classic and I like the classic always. So this is the first look of that. And let me just clean up first and then we'll continue. So the first boot always takes time, and then the worst part, we have to set up the iPad. That is the painful step among all of them, to be very honest. Selecting your region, so India, English. So we're just gonna skip everything, or can't we skip the network process? We can't. Actually we can't, so we'll have to like give it a hotspot. Why you do this Apple all the time? I don't know. So this is how the default home screen looks like, and look and feel wise it's very similar to the iPad 10 gen. It also has the Touch ID on top. Overall appearance wise I don't really see any major difference between that, and specifically I'm really sad that it only supports the first gen Apple Pencil and the Type-C Apple Pencil, not the second gen and not the Pro as well, because we still don't have magnetic charging over here on this device. So anyways, that was it. Hope you like the live unboxing over here. I'll be dropping the full review of this device really soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.